We're going to the mountain again, part 2. Come on. Hey. I'm going to show you guys my grandparents' house, but the one who lives in there now is my uncle, my mother's younger brother. Thank God. That's it. There we are. There you go. Cowboy? There you go. Veterano! Huh?
Up on YouTube now.
Yeah.
Hey, Nana sila si Kuan?
Nana sila dito.
What I was saying was, you could be charging now for an hour. Because there will be an hour now.
Change.
This is the little
Yeah,
package here,
it changed a lot.
where we got eaten by ants.
Changed a lot.
14 years I here, boy, when I first came here 14 years ago. To see your
That's
grandfather.
when we met,
Real father,
first met.
sorry.
Yeah. Huh? That's my mother.
Labo po na si Buboy, oy.
Huh?
Labo po na sa aso. Nagkaya kagawa ni Buboy, oy.
Huh?
Wala mo ti. Hindi ko.
Veteran ko ana kay nagban ako paniwag sa tuwa.
We also lived here somewhere. Where is it, ma? Our house. You used to live here. That one?
Ilan ni?
Tansaon na nagpiyo ni diri.
Kana dia. Kana ilan ni?
Oh, babay. Adi ka mapit kay dapat ka inyong mulay.
So,
Wa abot mo nang korta kay kapuy-an man na.
this one's waiting for me.
Bubot man tanawon.
Veterano?
Okay kayo?
Ah.
Tira na.
My mother's younger brother. Oh, youngest brother. Uncle Boboy.
Mama si kuya nimo. Kuya nimo wala ning bandi ay?
Pala.
Kay?
Panghilantan mo to.
Ay, sudpot kay ito kay mupantay dito ni kuya.
Gani. Siyempre.
Iyang anak.
Look, it's a dead cobra. My goodness, made it scary. Oh dear. Like, oh. Be careful, friends. Yeah, it's cobra, friends. It's a cobra. Jesus Christ. Killed na.
Oh, sa asa.
Cobra.
Cobra na. Si cobra.
Yeah.
Mga G's tingali.
Jeez, Spence. You should wear freaking Willy, Spence.
Arboy ba nga?
Should willing to.
Padukon ko ano, hinay o sahay ma ko nang kumasero, di makapangkuan.
I wear freaking slippers, Spence.
Oh, nanay.
Padat ang kamunoy.
Si GR Jod.
The Falcata tree or wood.
How old is this stem?
Oh, I don't know.
7?
Maybe probably, yeah, 7 years.
Wow, big range.
Big range. It's
Oh, it's
like
marked it to say it says.
ah.
Branded is it to say it says
Oh, there you
SS.
go.
Kay lisod po, kuan na ninyo nang kuno karon nga dito na makuan kay ang kuan na ang medisina, di sa na pag-ablian na. Niya ang mga kuan ay mga oh, kunsun. Wata ninyo.
Whew.
Yung muna ang kuha niya ang pabalhin.
Sweating already. Hot.
Ano mang kuha ng balhinjuan?
Mama. That's so talkative. Chatting box. Whew. It's hot, eh? I'm
You got
gonna.
2 shirts on, dude.
Yeah, I know. But
Can I hold that and you take your shirt off?
mosquitoes, that's the problem. Well, tignan kasi I'm gonna have a freaking heart attack with this.
Yeah.
So,
Pero kahapon, kaya naman to, namin may kuha niya. Kuhan, dapat may tagon baya niya sa...
finally, we're here. Yeah, we lost 1 hour, is it? Spin slept. Now we need to be careful now. Slippery. Ha? Ah, nasa ibabaw? Woo! Wow! Ha? Tunog yun. Oh, we need to be careful now. We're gonna cross the river. We're gonna hold the camera. Me or you? I don't know. Okay, go. Wow. Jeez. Hi. My goodness me. Oh no, it's too deep. My pants, I'm wet. Okay, there you go. I'm safe now. We're gonna go up there. Wow. This is torture. Whew. Sa up. Gonna climb up now. Climb up the hill. Huh? Oh. Scary in here. Oh, I hope there's no freaking snake. No, please, no. Oh, I need to go faster. Huh? Huh? What? What's that? We lost again. Oh no, we're gonna trap her all day freaking long, huh? Asa daw? Asa man katong ming na. That's the problem when there's no one know where we going. Ha? Nakita na sila?
Nabay sila.
Okay. Okay di ma? Okay, we're gonna go up here, down here. Jeez. This is scary. This is scary. Okay. Mama. Ma. So slippery. Jesus Christ. Maligid ka ma? Oh, they're there. Oh. Ah, found them. Found them, eh? Gani. Naharom rin nara akong anak ko. Jack. Dude. So rocky. Rocky river. Woo. Okay. Safe and sound. Wow. Yeah. Is it nice? Oh, there. Oh, I can see the smoke. So there are. So they are cooking now, Finn. I can see the smoke. Look. They're cooking already. Enjoying, Nat? Enjoying? Good boy. Oh, nainit na. Jack is going to the cave now. Oh.
Lipay na dito na. Ang bako, dito no.
Okay, that's
Lalo
good.
na diya, karang ko na niya.
It's fine, it's fine. Ah, mama mo sunod.